Hey guys, what's up? Instagram has a new feature inside the Instagram story where you could ask questions, and I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use it. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram mobile application. After that, you simply have to swipe to right. It will open up your camera. From here, you can either take a picture to use it as a background on the Instagram story, or you can also select it from your gallery. I'm simply going to take a picture. Once you are done, simply tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From here, you'll see there is an option named as questions in the second row, so simply tap on that. From here you can change the text which is already written as ask me a question. You can delete and then type in any of the thing which you want. For example, if I have type on hi, then you simply have to tap on done at the top of the screen. If you'll tap on the sticker icon, now if you want to change the color of this sticker icon, simply tap on the color wheel at the top, and as you guys can see, it has changed it to red, pink, purple, and you can adjust it to any of the color which you want, and tap on done. After that, simply post your Instagram story. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.